Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive north on US Highway 11, beginning in Loudoun County, Tennessee at mile 86. Loudoun County was named for the nearby colonial-era Fort Loudoun, although the name is spelled differently. The county had a population of 54,886 as of the 2020 census. We enter the city of Loudoun, the county seat of Loudoun County, established in 1817. The city had a population of 6,001 as of the 2020 census. Historic Loudoun has a rich history dating back to the late 1700s when the first settlers established their homes along the Tennessee River. The most bustling area of early Loudoun was its waterfront, where steamboats would dock to load and unload goods. Around 1817, James Blair and his family took charge of managing river traffic. They initially called the community Blair's Ferry, which later evolved into the town of Loudoun. At that time, Loudoun was a small settlement comprising a steamboat landing, a store, and a handful of houses. The town began to grow in the 1850s with the introduction of the railroad, and in 1852 it was officially renamed Loudoun. During the Civil War, the Loudoun Railroad Bridge became a strategically important location. In the 1870s, Loudoun was selected as the county government seat, and the county courthouse was established in the heart of town. We cross Tennessee State Route 72, which is signed as a primary here. This is where we see a sign on the right welcoming us to historic Loudoun and advertising the various events, churches, clubs, and organizations with chapters in town. We crossed the Tennessee River and Watts Bar Lake on a bridge dedicated to Congressman John J. Duncan Jr. and Loudoun County veterans. We conclude today's video at mile marker 93. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 or more a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.